visual methods.
Okay, now this is really behind the scenes here of Cirque du Soleil's Alegria, and ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to speak with Sherilyn.
Hi there.
Sherilyn, tell us what you do with Cirque du Soleil.
I'm what they call the artistic assistant. So basically myself and the artistic director, we're kind of responsible for everything that the audience sees when they come to see the show. We take care of the artists, we take care of their environment, we try to keep them healthy and happy as much as we can so that they can go out and do the best show for the audience that they can do.
Perfect. Now, what are we looking at right here? We are behind the scenes right now, and I can tell, obviously, we're looking at some masks, but I bet you can describe it a little bit better about what they're made of and what they're used for and things like that.
I sure can. We're actually in Wardrobe Hallway. And these are what we call our bird masks. These represent the bird characters in the show, and we call them the old nostalgic birds. There's 7 different characters, and the artists that wear them, each of these masks was made specifically for the artist that wears them. We take a head mold of them in Montreal. The masks are made of some latex, little bits of leather, various plastics, and all of the details that you see are hand applied. So all of the earrings, all of the eyelashes, all of the specific jewels, they're all handmade at our head office in Montreal. And then an actual makeup artist sits down with the mask as if it's a person and applies the makeup as if it's a real human being. And then we solidify it and make it permanent with a spray over top.
And that was going to be my next question. How long does something like that take to get actually in costume and get ready for each performance?
Well, you know, you'd be amazed at how fast the artist can get in and out of costume. But there's a lot of detail with these birds. There's actually 4 layers of wardrobe that go on underneath before they can actually put their heads on. So it does take a few minutes. And of course, you want to put your costume on right before you go on stage, because as you can imagine, having this on your head is going to be quite warm, especially here in Houston, where it's quite humid for the artist. So yeah, so you know, it takes about maybe 20 minutes for them to get into all of the costume parts, and then the head goes on at the very last minute.